Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Trickey will show you how to make Indian-style orange and black pepper chicken. This is a quick and easy recipe to make at home and a good way to wow the guests. So let's get started with the ingredients. These are the ingredients for preparing the Indian-style orange and black pepper chicken. The method. Let's pre-season the chicken with salt. So wash and make diagonal slashes on each chicken piece. Then sprinkle half a teaspoon of salt and rub it all over the chicken, making sure to rub into the slashes as well. Then set it aside. Now let's prepare the marinade. So add all the listed ingredients to a mixing bowl. That's the orange juice, yogurt, salt, pepper powder, ginger paste, turmeric powder, garlic paste, coriander seed powder and cumin seed powder. Please note, for maximum flavor, please use freshly ground black pepper. Then mix until well combined. Now add the marinade to the chicken and mix well. Then set aside to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Remember, the longer the better. Now let's prepare the curry. So heat oil in a wok, then add in the bay leaf and the chopped green chillies. And give it a toss. Now add in the chopped onions. Cook until the onions turn light brown. When the onions have turned light brown, drop in the marinated chicken. Now cook on high flame for about 5 minutes. When the 5 minutes are up, turn down the flame. Then cover and simmer for about 15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked. Then open and cook on a high flame again until all the water evaporates. Now drop in the chopped green coriander leaves and continue to cook. Now drop in the green chilies and give it a quick mix. Then cover and simmer for a couple of minutes or until done. Lastly, transfer onto a serving plate. And enjoy as a starter with onion slices or as a side dish to a main meal. And there you have it, Indian style orange and black pepper chicken. As you will have seen, it's a quick and easy recipe to make at home and a good way to wow your guests. You can marinate in advance and then it's a quick recipe to make just before your guests arrive. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video, and subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet for more delicious recipes.